Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. We're here at the Stanford HPC conference. I have a couple of younger students here today with us. And Surya, why don't we start with you? I understand that you authored a proposal for some research. Can you tell me some more about that?
Yeah, so pretty much Tanae and I, my partner, we were both working on a proposal for a competition called Toshiba Explorer Vision, and we came across this concept called prions, right? And they're very interesting, probably for us the most interesting concept in biology. And we just decided, well, prions pretty much are proteins that can act like viruses, so proteins that can infect human brains. So we were like, oh yeah, there's no treatment for diseases caused by prions, so maybe we can try and think of a way to treat these diseases. So we came up with a proposal and we submitted it into the competition. We got a good award, but we felt that we wanted to go further with the research. We felt really passionate about it, so we just decided to go further.
So Sanjay, how did you guys get hooked up with the Stanford program, which uses the donated HPC equipment to do research? How did you hook up with that? Was it through the contest?
No, actually. So once we decided to do the research, we soon figured out we couldn't, our laptops couldn't run the programs. They took too much memory. So we realized that we needed to use a supercomputer. So we contacted some local universities and some faraway universities like Stanford, and Delorante responded and he offered to let us use the cluster. So that was helpful.
Very cool. So just to ask a little bit more about these prions, right? So how are they different than like a cell or something? Because when I think of prions, I think of these pieces of the brain. What are they?
Prions are basically proteins that can be found in multiple cells within the brain. So they're kind of like a component of the cell, and they have many different functions. And usually when you come up with infectious disease involving prions, these proteins are actually misfolded, because usually when you have a protein, it's usually folded into these many intricate parts, and some mutations or some other prions that are infected can lead and convert these existing normal cellular prions into some infectious ones.
Well, you two seem to have a very exciting future with computation. Was this your first encounter with HPC?
Yes, for me, yes. Yeah.
Hey, I'm just excited that there's a new generation out there like you guys that are looking forward. In case when the next pandemic comes around, I'm hoping you're graduated and you're using these HPC tools to fight this stuff. So thanks for coming on the show today, guys. Great job.